Here's our challenge. We are using the DJI Osmo Pocket for the entire video. If you know somebody who did that on YouTube, link below. Let us know if somebody else is out there who's doing that. Jens here from All-Star Space.
Tony the Card Geek.
We are looking at a Porsche Macan S today, which we received from Porsche Munich. Hopefully we're gonna get a 911 next, right? Before we start, sorry, go on.
This whole video is on the Osmo Pocket. We're looking at it right now. No part of this is a big rig or anything like that. We have stuck because I hate watching those YouTube channels where they do
check it out
a huge rig for their interview portion.
Yeah.
But then I always want to know, what is it that you're using? Use what you're testing. So
we are using what we're testing, 350 euros we paid for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Porsche Munich, thank you very much for giving us an opportunity. We have this car for one day. It's a Macan S, Porsche Macan S. Before we start, I want to solve the world's biggest mystery. And how do you pronounce Porsche? How do you pronounce Porsche in the UK? And then I'll tell you how you pronounce Porsche properly.
Well, in the UK, we say Porsche.
Right. So the proper way to say is Porsche, right? With an E at the end. Porsche. That's how you say it in Germany, and that's a proper way to say. So now you can go back. You have no longer sleepless nights. Porsche Macan. What is your Porsche Macan S? Sorry, it's a 350 horsepower car. We got a specifications here. It costs around 84,000 euros.
I absolutely love it. I have driven the Cayenne, the Panamera, the 911.
Yeah. Thank you, Porsche Munich.
And the Macan, actually, I never thought it had a place for Porsche. I never thought it had a place in the Porsche lineup, but it's actually so much fun. It's so responsive. It's super with throwing the kids in the car and off you go. It's super for city parking. Yeah. And it's just fun.
So do you like the styling of it? I like the styling of it. I like the size for a Cayenne better for me. So what do you like in particular about the when I looked at it, you have inside the mix between the old and the new, right? You still have the buttons on the side, and you also have that new Porsche Communication Management System, PCM, which has a beautiful, nice HD touchscreen now.
But the earlier versions of it never really jumped to mind. They never really did anything for me. But you get in this and you've got your Apple CarPlay. You've got everything you need and it's super fast.
Going back to the DJI Osmo Pocket, we really tried hard to give you guys footage. The biggest challenges we had was when it came to lighting and when it came to audio. Watch this clip. We tried to do some audio outside. Just watch this clip. I guess we're not going to get a 911 to review afterwards because we're just using that small equipment. That's why we decided to do this review internally, but show you the outside footage with the gimbal without sound, more or less.
Yeah, to be fair, we did all the recording. We did this and the recording outside. Yeah. But because the audio wasn't so clear, with the wind, it was more than anything.
Yeah. All you could hear was,
oh. Well, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Thank you, Porsche Munich. Last time I mentioned you guys. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to drive it for one day. We have it for one day. It has a good amount of specifications in it. And I think any car is nice when you have a lot of specifications in it.
To be fair, if you are going to buy a Porsche, then you do it right.
Yeah. That means what?
You pimp it up with everything that you need.
You pimp it up. Did you hear that? Pimp. Pimp your ride. Pimp your Porsche.
Right. Pimp your Porsche.
Porsche, not Porsche.
You need seat heating. In Munich, you need seat heating.
I think seat heating is essential. Maybe you guys in Florida don't need seat heating. We do. Maybe you need seat cooling. That's an option.
Oh, yes.
You can have that. That's an option.
Yeah, but between all the different Porsches that are available, I think the Macan makes a super family car.
Yeah. Nippy?
Nippy. It's very nippy.
Very nippy. So what's your final thought on the Porsche Macan S 2019?
My final thoughts are, I would 100% choose a Cayenne if I had the choice.
Yeah.
But this I loved more than I expected. So my final thoughts are, it is way better than I expected, but I would still choose a Cayenne.
Thinking about your English mentality, I think it's inconclusive. It's a good way to say, isn't it? It's like maybe, maybe not. But we'll get there. I guess Cayenne would do it. We would have the money, right? That's a good choice. I think the dream combination for me would be a Cayenne and a 911. I think that gives both of best worlds. So what do you think about this footage coming straight from the DJI Osmo Pocket camera? It's a 4K picture, 25 frames per second, and in Cinelike. All we did, we put a random LUT on that, works well, and that's pretty much it. And we cut the video, right? So let us know in the comments below what you think about that footage. Have you seen anybody else doing an entire review video with this camera, full stop, audio and video? Let us know. No attachment, no accessories, no rig. $350 straight off the box. Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share the love.
Share the love.
Whatever you feel doing, do it.
Do it.
Jens here from All Star Space. Do it. See you next time.
I thought you were going to do a bro fist there.
Jens here from All Star Space. Tony says I should do a bro fist.
Smell you later.
Bye.
Bye.